All right, Trading Card Club live Wednesday, January 6th for our 6 o'clock Mountain Standard Time break. We've got 2 Tmall boxes of Mosaic basketball. There is no open teams on this one. Definitely appreciate you guys reaching out. Continue to do so. We definitely have opportunity sometimes, but nothing open for this one here. We'll get started in just about another minute or so. Roger, I'll do my best, buddy. I'll do my best. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get it started. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Here we go. Box number 1. Fred VanVleet. Colin Sexton. A silver Luka Samanic. Nice hit there for the Spurs. There you go, James. And our first red wave is Jalen Noel, Minnesota rookie. Rookie wave, we'll take that. And Tremont Waters. Gordon. Ibaka. Richardson. And the wave is Anthony Davis. Nice hit for the Lakers. There you go, Ken, with the red wave AD. And ending it with LeBron on the Cavs. Kennard, Levert, Smart, Thomas Bryant, and Irvin Hall of Fame. Zeller, Collins, Adebayo, Gary Harris, and a Brandon Clark. Miles Bridges, Anderson, Rondo, and our first gold wave, Bogdan Bogdanovic, and a KD USA. Rose, Anthony, Hill. Ooh, the red wave, Giannis. Nice hit there from Milwaukee. There you go, Josh. Nice hit there on the Giannis. Ending it with a PJ debut. All right. Cat, Bogdanovic, Clarkson, Furkan Korkmaz, and a Hall of Fame Pippen. Porzingis, House, Monk, an AI Hall of Fame. Nice one there for the Sixers. And a Nicolo Melli. Markkanen, Sabonis, Okogie, and a Ty Jerome NBA debut. Nice one there for the Suns. There you go, Peter. And a Grant Williams. Curry, Porter, Barton, DJ Augustine, Red Wave, and a Isaiah Roby. Whiteside, Mitchell, Robinson, and our second gold wave, Paul Millsap. And a debut, Cam Johnson. Anumbwai, Young, Cantor, a Gordon Hayward, decent one there for the Celtics, Red Wave, even though he's not there no more, and a Darius Bazley. Nothing too crazy on the wave front, but not a bad box. Box number 2. Giannis at AD on the Red Waves. That's pretty money. Boxes. Cards are in here like all every direction. But get them out nice and safely. Here we go. Here we go. Don't kill the messenger, Roger. Don't kill the messenger. Baines, DiVincenzo, Brooks, and a Scottie Pippen Hall of Fame. And a Kyle Guy. Tobias. Huerter. Randall. And a Vucevic for Orlando. And a debut Ja. There we go. A little Ja sighting. Take that. Diallo. Shamet. Bridges. Patty Mills, Red Wave. And a Eric Pascal. Barnes. Bledsoe. O'Neal. Davis Bertans, Red Wave. And a Vince Carter. Redick. Curry. Irving. DeAndre Hunter, Red Wave. Nice hit there for Atlanta. There you go, Leonard. And a Jarrett Culver. Lopez. Schroeder. Zeller. And a Jason Tatum, Red Wave. Nice one for Boston. There you go. Another one for Leonard. And a Terrence Mann. I'll be honest, Roger, I thought so myself. I thought that Hunter was a hero. I was going to tell you, don't give up too soon. Satoransky. Rivers. Green. A Fred VanVleet Gold Wave. And a Cody Martin. Lamb. Anumbwe. Anderson. Derek Favors. And Kareem, Hall of Fame. Beal. Embiid. Porzingis. And the second gold is Willie Cauley-Stein. And Admiral Schofield. Thompson. Gordon. Ibaka. A Grant Williams. Boston is getting some love. And a debut Kobe White. Troy Brown. Jones. A silver prism, Joe Ingles. And a red wave, Dorian Finney-Smith. And an MVP's Wilt. Last pack of the break, and we will go over Taj Gibson. Jellica. There's a LeBron James. Daniel Tice. Another Boston. And Oscar Robinson, Hall of Fame. All right, let's go ahead and gather these bad boys up here. Alrighty, we had the Paul Millsap, Gold Wave. Luka Samanic, Silva. Jalen Noel, Red Wave. Red Wave, Hall of Fame, AI. Gold Wave, Bogdanovich. Pippen, Red Wave, Hall of Fame. Gold Wave, Cauley Stein. Grant Williams, Red Wave. Gold Wave, Van Fleet. DeAndre Hunter, Red Wave. Jason Tatum, Red Wave. Debut Ja. Giannis, Red Wave. And the Anthony Davis, Red Wave. Nothing too crazy in this one, I know, guys. If you did not get a card, we'll definitely make sure to do something for you. We'll probably refund the shipping on those that did not get the card. Definitely appreciate you guys joining the breaks. Not always that we can get everything that everybody wants, but we definitely try. We have one more break going off at 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. Hope you guys are able to join and watch that one as well. We definitely appreciate you guys joining this one. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your night.